Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Gift of chappals. A smiling Rukmani threw open the door. Ravi and Meena rushed out, and Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. Wait, let me take my slippers, protested Mridu. She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. Those were grey, actually with dust. You could see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slipper. The marks of the two big toes were long and scrawny. Now, when Rukmani opened the door, Ravi and Meena tried to pull Mridu into the house. But Mridu said, "Oh, wait a minute, let me remove my slippers." Ravi said, "Okay." Then Mridu went aside to remove her slippers. When she went aside, she saw a black, little bit big chappals. Its color was black, but it looks like a grey because on that slipper there was a dust, and even you can see the clear marks of the toes on that chappal. जैसे रुक्मणी ने दरवाज़ा खोला, रुक्मणी मृदु और उसकी दादी को देखकर बहुत खुश हुई। मीना और रवि भी दौड़ते हुए दरवाजे की तरफ आए और उन्होंने मृदु को अपनी ओर खींचने की कोशिश की। तो मीना ने कहा, अरे भाई रुक जाओ, मुझे अपनी चप्पल तो उतारने दो। तो रवि ने कहा, ठीक है, चलो आप अपनी चप्पल उतारो। तो जब वो अपनी चप्पल उतारने गई तो उसने देखा वहाँ पे थोड़ी सी बड़ी चप्पल है जो काले रंग की है, पर वो काली नहीं दिख रही क्योंकि उसके ऊपर धूल जमी हुई है और उस चप्पल के ऊपर पैरों के निशान, पैरों के उंगलियों के निशान क्लियरली दिखाई देते थे। जो पैर का अंगूठा था वो थोड़ा सा बड़ा था। Mridu didn't have much time to wonder about whose slippers they were because Ravi dragged in her to the backyard behind a thick bitterberry bush. There inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand lay a very small kitten lapping up milk from a coconut shell. जैसे मीना ने चप्पल उतारी और वो अभी देख ही रही थी तो रवि फिर से आया और उसे हाथ पकड़कर खींचकर अपने घर के पीछे ले गया, जहाँ पे कुछ हरी और कुछ सूखी छोटे छोटे पेड़ पौधे थे। और वहाँ मीना ने देखा कि एक टूटा हुआ फुटबॉल है जिससे हवा निकल चुकी थी और एक वो कटोरे के जैसे दिखाई दे रहा था जिसमें धूल, मिट्टी के छोटे छोटे कंकर उसमें थे। और उसी के पास कुछ झाड़ियों में एक बिल्ली का छोटा सा बच्चा बैठा था और नारियल का जो लकड़ी का खोखला होता है उसमें वो दूध पी रही थी। नाउ this Mrudu, just she was looking at the slippers By the time Ravi came and he pulled her to the backside of his house. Meena and Ravi, they both took her to the backside of her house. Now, when Meena went at the back of the house, she saw there was a green and dry bushes over there, and even one torn football was lying there, and it was looking like a bowl as there was no air in that football. And as it was looking like a bowl, in that dust particles and dust things were lying inside that football. And under the bushes there was a small kitten. Kitten means a baby cat. And in front of that baby cat there was a coconut shell, outer covering of the coconut, wooden part that looked like a bowl, and in that coconut shell Ravi had poured the milk inside that shell, and the kitten was drinking over the milk. Meena, it's a secret. Amma says Pati will leave her, our Padu Mama's house, if she knows we have a cat. People are always telling us to be kind to animals, but when we are, they scream only, "Don't bring this dirty creature here," said Ravi. "Do you know how hard it is just to get a little milk from the kitchen? Pati saw me with a glass of milk in my hand just now. I told her I am very hungry. I want to drink it. But the way she looked at me, I had to drink most of it to throw her off the scent. Then she wanted the tumbler back. Pati, I wash it myself. Why should I put you to trouble?" I told her. I had to run and pour the milk. Then Meena said, "It is a secret that we are having the kitten in the bushes." Amma said. Amma means the mother of Ravi and Meena. She said, "If your Pati means grandmother of Ravi and Meena. Amma said that if Dadi would know that we are having the cat inside our house, then she will leave our house and will go to Padu Mama's house." Ravi said, "We don't understand that our elders, they teach us that we should be kind to animals. We should not hurt the animals. Like when you're coming from school or you are just walking on the road, sometimes what you see, cat, dog, cow, they are sitting on the road, and sometimes they are sleeping. But what you people do, you hit the stone on that animal, or you just pull the tail. So this is the bad thing. You should not pull the tail of any animal. This way our parents explain us. But when we bring this creature, animal inside our house, they tell us that throw away this dirty creature, throw away this dirty animal out of the house. Otherwise, they scold us, they shout us very badly. And here in this lesson, my Pati means my grandmother, what she says, that if you are going to keep this animal in your house, I will leave the house. मीना ने कहा कि ये सीक्रेट है, हमने बिल्ली का बच्चा रखा है पर किसी को पता नहीं है। क्योंकि हमारे बड़े कहते हैं कि किसी भी जानवर को मारना नहीं है उसे। जैसे कभी कभार हम स्कूल से आते हैं या ऐसे रास्ते पे चलते हैं तो हम देखते हैं गायें बैठी होती है, कुत्ता सोया होता है, बिल्ली बैठी होती है, तो हम क्या करते, उसे पत्थर मारते या उसे पूँछ खींच देते या उसे पैर मार देते। तो ये ऐसे करना बच्चों बुरी बात है, नहीं, किसी भी जानवर को मारना नहीं है। और जब हम ऐसे किसी, जैसे अब हम छोटे से बिल्ली के बच्चे को घर ले आए तो हमारी पाती पाती मतलब ग्रैंड मदर कहती है इस गंदे से जानवर को बाहर फेंक दो, नहीं तो मैं अपने मैके चली जाऊंगी। मैका मतलब होता है मम्मी पापा का घर, जैसे दादी के मम्मी पापा का घर। वो ऐसे कहती कि अगर तुम इस बिल्ली के बच्चे को घर रखोगे तो मैं अपने पेरेंट्स माँ बाप के घर चली जाऊंगी। I told her I had to run and pour the milk into this coconut shell and then run back and wash the tumbler and put it back before she got really suspicious. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahindran. Then Ravi explained that it is not easy task to feed this kitten. Feed this kitten means to give the food to the kitten as milk or any other thing. As in the afternoon, I went to bring the milk from the kitchen. As I poured the milk into the glass, my Pati, she entered into the kitchen and asked me, my Pati said, now only you have the lunch and now you become hungry. Then I told Pati, now I don't want to eat food, but instead of food, I want to drink milk. So Pati told, okay, you drink the milk. But when I poured the milk into the glass, my Pati, she was staring me. Staring means continuously looking at me. Then I told Pati, Pati, you go and take rest. I will drink the milk. Then I myself will wash the glass and keep it at proper place. Then she went out of the kitchen. When she went out of the kitchen, I ran quickly back to the house, poured the milk into the coconut shell, and again I ran into the kitchen. I washed the glass properly and kept it where it was. मीना और रवि ने कहा कि बिल्ली के बच्चे को खाना देना इतना आसान नहीं है। खाना मतलब दूध या कुछ भी। जैसे आज दोपहर की बात है, मैं रसोई घर में गया और दूध जैसे ही ग्लास में डाल रहा था तो मेरी पाती मतलब दादी रसोई घर आ गई और मुझसे कहने लगी, बेटा अब क्या कर रहे हो? तो मैंने कहा, पाती मुझे भूख लगी है। तो पाती ने कहा, अभी तो आपने खाना खाया था, फिर भूख लग गई? तो हाँ, परंतु पाती अभी मुझे खाना नहीं खाना है, मुझे दूध पीने की इच्छा हो रही है, इसीलिए मैं दूध ले रहा हूँ। तो दादी ने कहा, ठीक है, पी लो दूध। तो जैसे मैंने ग्लास में डाला और ग्लास हाथ में लिया तो दादी मुझे घूर रही थी। घूरने का मतलब है मुझे लगातार देख रही थी। फिर मैंने दादी से कहा, दादी जी आप जाके आराम कीजिए, और मैं दूध पीकर ग्लास अपने साफ़ कर फिर मैं अच्छी तरह से साफ़ करके मैं उसे रख दूँगा। अब आप आराम कीजिए। Mahindran. This little catty's name is Mahindran. Mridu was impressed. It was a real name. not just a cute kitty cat name. Actually, his full name is Mahendra Verma Pallav Punai, MP Punai for short. If you like, if he is a fine breed of cat, just look at his fur like a lion's mane. And you know what the emblem of the ancient Palwa king was, don't you? He looked expectantly at Mridu. Mridu giggled. Ravi spoke that, see, we had kept the name also. We had given the name to this kitten as Mahendran. Then Mridu was impressed. Impressed means she liked that you had kept the name as a Mahendran. She told, yes, I had kept the name Mahendran. His full name is Mahendran Verma Pallava Punnai, and in short you can call him MP Punnai. See, now this little cat is not an ordinary cat. See, its fur. Fur means the hair on the cat. It's look like a lion's mane. Lion's mane, on the neck the lion have a big hair. So he compare his cat to the lion. And even he told Mridu that you don't know that in ancient time Pallava's king, means the king of Palwa, they have an emblem of king. तो मृदु को रवि ने कहा, मृदु को देखो, हमने इस छोटे से बिल्ली के बच्चे को नाम महेंद्रन दिया है। तो मृदु थोड़ा सा मुस्कुराई। तो उसने कहा, ऐसे क्यों हंस रहे हो, इसका नाम तो हमने महेंद्रम वर्मा पल्लवा पुन्नई, ये नाम है इस बिल्ली के बच्चे का पूरा नाम। लेकिन अगर आपको इसका नाम बड़ा लगता है तो आप उसे MP पुन्नई कह सकती हो। और ये कोई बिल्ली का बच्चा साधारण बच्चा नहीं है, क्योंकि उसने इस बिल्ली के बच्चे को जंगल के राजा शेर से कंपेयर किया था, शेर के साथ। और उसने कहा जैसे शेर के गले में लंबे लंबे बाल होते हैं, उसी तरह देखो आप बिल्ली के बच्चे को भी इसके बाल कितने हैं। और पुराना जो पल्लव का राजा था, उसने अपना चिन्ह, सिंबल मतलब होता है चिन्ह, उसने जंगल के राजा का ही रखा हुआ था।